Okay, continuing pH and pOH. Let's get our chart again. Notice in all of these, what do we know? We know the molarity. If we know the molarity of an acid, what do we really know? We know the concentration of hydrogen ions. If we know the molarity of a base, we know the concentration of hydroxide ions. So that's the first thing we need to do, is we're going to look at this formula and determine, is this an acid or a base? Well, this starts with hydrogen, so we know we are given the concentration of hydrochloric acid. Okay, so where does that mean we are on this chart? We are right here, and we want to know the pH. It says calculate the pH. So we're going to take the negative log of the hydrogen concentration. That's what you're putting into your calculator. So again, let's do these. Okay, enter. Let me clear this out. Okay, so we're going to take the negative log of this concentration right here. So let's do that. Negative control log, and what's my concentration? 0.01. So I need to arrow over into my box, and I'm going to go 0.01. Okay, negative log of my concentration, and I'm going to hit enter. It says that the pH with a concentration of 0.01 molar is 2. So pH equals 2. All right, let's look at number 2 though. On number 2, we know the concentration or the molarity of this sodium hydroxide. This is my clue right here that I know the concentration of a base. But if I know the concentration of a base, where am I? I'm right here. I still want to know the pH. It says calculate the pH, and I can't go straight from OH to pH. So what do I need to do first? I need to calculate the pOH and then solve for pH. Okay, so it's a two-step process to get there. So let's do that. All right, so first step is we're going to take the negative log of our concentration. So again, negative control log, arrow over, what's the concentration? 0.001, and I hit enter. Okay, what do I get? I get a pOH of 3. But I still want to know the pH. So if I'm going from pOH to pH, it says you take 14 and subtract the pOH, which we said is 3. So now I have a pH of 11. Okay? So I need you to do that for the rest of these here on this worksheet, please. Let me know if you have any questions.